Welcome to the X-Grid's LCC Scanning Guide. In this tutorial, we'll cover the HD Enhancement feature for better reconstruction details. HD Enhancement improves small scene reconstruction using supplementary images from mobile phones or cameras with wide-angle lenses. Capture after completing primary data collection with 100-degree horizontal FOV. Maintain consistent focal length and frame size throughout shooting. Critical: do not change focal length or frame size changes during capture. Target enhancement areas with continuous multi-angle shooting. Capture 20+ consecutive images per area with 80% overlap between adjacent shots. Avoid large camera movements or rotations. Maintain sharp focus, proper exposure, and scene clarity. Avoid blur background. When planning your shooting path, ensure image overlap with original Lixel captures by matching camera views and angles to improve reconstruction quality. Avoid weak or repetitive textures, solid colors. Reflective surfaces, and dynamic scenes. Remove substandard photos post-capture to prevent negative reconstruction impact. Open LCC Studio, generate now. Single scene. Enter scene name and import data. Enable HD Enhancement option. Import packaged photos. Select parameters based on project needs and computer specs. Start reconstruction.